just tap into what's unique about you and put that into whatever you do. Visionaries, welcome back. Wanted to come back to you with a quick update and express to you what my POD experience has been thus far, the learnings that I have, and why I got into POD in the first place, and just general things that might help you along your journey into entrepreneurship and financial freedom. So generally, I've been on POD for about a year and a half. I started on Teespring while I was waiting to get approved by Merch by Amazon, and maybe a month or so after being on Teespring, I got approved for merch. And so have been on there, and you've seen my journey throughout the videos that I had. But backtracking from that, how did I get into POD and why in the first place? So I have 15 years plus experience in business development and marketing communications in general. I got out of college around 2001 after coming out of graduate school, and then I was like, okay, what do I want to do now? Started out in advertising. I'm trained in advertising, mass communications. So I was kind of like, what do I want to do? Out of school, got my first job in marketing and kind of went from there. So I didn't even go into advertising in general, but had a passion for design because of that. And so I always was looking for creative ways to flex my skills that way while I go down this marketing business development path. So fast forward about 15 years. Currently, I am at a global company and in their business development organization. And I have clients as well in my consulting business for local businesses. And so kind of was thinking of innovative ways to continue to offer value to my local clients, and also a creative outlet for me to use my design skills, eye for design, something creative. And so that's how I came across Merch by Amazon, just looking at YouTube videos and blogs to earn extra income. Anything that I'm interested in, luckily, has been profitable for me as well. So I'm always looking for different ways to diversify my skills and my income. So that's always nice. But I think the overall theme throughout my journey and my professional career, my consulting business, and POD is innovation. You're always looking for the next wave of things. And so, as you probably heard myself and other merchers that's on here offering advice, is that you want to innovate. You want to be the first in certain niches. You want to be the first to think through what the next trend might be. Now, holidays are what they are, but there is also indicators for certain things, whether it be pop culture trends or specific sayings that people start using, colloquialisms, things of that nature that you can grab onto and make them your own, as well as going local within your area, understanding what that is, or nationally or internationally. It's some things that I pick up on all the time and start designing shirts around, and that ends up turning sales. So you always have to look at things in an innovative way and not follow trends, follow, designs of others, because that gets oversaturated, and then it's kind of like, then what do you do now? What do you rock bottom basement your designs? And that is something that I haven't done from the beginning, because from my years of experience, I know that when you devalue or lower the value on something that you produce, that's how it's seen in the marketplace, whether you see that or not. So I don't undervalue my shirts, because when you try to put them on other PODs and boost the price of them, people are savvy shoppers, and they shop around and they see that it's $13.07 over here and $15.99 or $18.99 over there. They're going to go over there and get the cheapest price. So you put in a lot of your intellectual property capital energy into something that you're turning 10 cents, $1, $2, $3 on. So just something to think about. But in that, I find that the endeavors that I invest time in, that I try to offer valuable advice like I am here with you guys and sharing with you guys, and it's helpful for me to hear your feedback as well. And so in the world of Merch by Amazon, I now have clients that I consult on their Merch by Amazon portfolio, whether it be their listings, their AMS ad placement, the designs, the niches that they're in, just really optimizing what they have there to make the best of the reach, the SEO to their potential customers customer base, and then overall profits, pricing, things of that nature. And so that's what I do on a daily basis. And so transforming that, my professional background, into POD and helping others is what I love to do. Some have asked me how I can give them one-on-one help, and I have an offering on Fiverr. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below. But I've been working with individuals on their listings already and hope to continue to partner with folks in the future, because just practical insights on certain things, just a second set of eyes on certain things, is super valuable. And for a small investment of a few dollars here and there, and your potential is to make hundreds or thousands of dollars, is like a no-brainer to me. So just again, my advice to you guys as you get into POD, whether it's an extension of your print t-shirt business already or you're just getting into it brand new, is to think innovatively about everything that you're doing. We all give you pointers on tools where you can find graphics or search for niches or pre-made list of niches and stuff like that. If you're going to do and use those canned things, come at it from a different angle. And in a lot of my videos, I kind of talk to you guys about how I think creatively about certain things. So if you have an eye for design, an ear for music or something like that, you hear things, your perspective is different than anyone else's, and that's what you need, I believe, to tap into. Just like the Merch by Amazon community on YouTube, you've seen lots of videos. What makes it unique where you're coming to visit me and watch my video, and I thank you for doing that and visiting my planet. And the fact that it's a planet, right, and you're on my planet, whether you know what Venus is or not, I told you guys in a couple other videos, kind of coming at it with a different lens, a different perspective, a different personality, a different background, different insight. That's what makes the world unique, the world of Amazon unique, your customer base unique. So just tap into what's unique about you and put that into whatever you do, and you will be successful, or at least enjoying the journey along the way. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Just tell you a little bit about myself, what my background has been, why I got into POD, why I enjoy POD, how that's helping to grow and expand my skill set, my business, my, client base, that sort of thing. So if you have any questions for me, please do leave a comment below. As always, I thank my subscribers and the new folks that are just venturing onto the planet. Thank you for visiting, and I hope that you find this valuable and will subscribe as well. I have about 35 videos on POD right now, and that's growing by leaps and bounds every week. I will get back to my Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday schedule pretty soon. So again, I thank you guys for tuning in, and please do let me know if there's anything specific that you want me to touch on. Comment below and I will do that. I have promised a new Printful Printify video to follow up on the one that I did before, so that's coming soon as well. So just let me know and I will cover it. And until next time, be well and peace, family.